Okay.
Oh, there you go. You got it.
Hindi ko alam kung tama nga ba yun. Hindi ko alam yan eh.
Narinig ko sa akin niya, recording in progress.
Naka-record
okay.
na, Weng. Naka-record na.
Okay, te. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, pag-aaralan natin yung kung saan tayo makakabili ng USDT. Tapos dito sa Canada, yung mga local, natin, yung local, exchanges natin, wala po talaga tayong mabibili na USDT. Kundi, yung Bitro, hindi naman local yon. Ang mabibili lang natin na sa local is yung USDC. Yun lang po yung alam ko na choice natin. Tapos punta tayo sa Bitro o kaya sa KuCoin. Yun po yung ginagawa ko. Tapos kagabi, meron kasi tinutulungan ko yung mga team ko na bumili ng mga USDT nila, ganyan-ganyan. Ginagamit ko po yung Virgo CX at saka Bitro ko. Kagabi, ayaw akong payagan ng Virgo CX. Parang, ni-restrict nila ako. Nagtaka siguro sila bakit lagi-lagi na lang, everyday na lang ito bumibili ng ng USDC. Sabi siguro. So, hindi nila...
Bakit nila i-restrict? It's their business.
I don't know, ate. Ito yung nila. Tingnan niyo po yung sinasabi nila. Ano ba yun? Ito yung email nila sa akin eh. Kasi tinatanong ko kung bakit nila ako ni-restrict. Sabi nila, ano ba kako ang reason? Bakit, gusto kong malaman kung anong rason, bakit nyo ni-restrict yung account ko. Sabi kong ganon. Ang sabi nila, we understand your concerns regarding the current crypto restriction placed on your account. As a regulated platform, we are required to protect your account when certain risk factors, particularly those related to scam risks, are detected in your account activities. So, may nakikita, wala
Ano
naman
yan?
ako.
Automated response yan.
Automated ba itong...
Hindi talaga nila yun. Hindi in response to your query.
Program yan. Program na yan.
Program.
Yeah.
Tapos sabi nila,
Automated.
we are unable to disclose the exact reason. However, your fiat deposit and withdrawal options remain open. Mabuti na lang kamote, pinaano ako ng kamag-anak ni Boy, 3K yun. Kinabahan ako na makukulong yung pera. Sabi ko, kakahiya naman.
Yeah.
Dali-dali ako. Pinalitan ko ulit, binalik ko ulit sa yung USDC. Nakabili na ako ng USDC. I-transfer ko na lang sa Bitro dapat. Pero kinancel nila yung transfer. So, ang ginawa ko, binalik ko na naman sa Canadian fiat. Tapos, binalik ko sa sa tawag dito, sa bangko ko. Oo. Ganun ang ginawa ko. Kasi
ganyan?
Baka makulong ka ako.
Bitro ang nag-ano o sa
Virgo CX. Virgo CX.
Virgo.
Oo. Tapos sabi pa niya dito, our team is actively reviewing your account and we will determine whether, dali lang po. We will determine whether it is possible to re-enable crypto withdrawals once we have resolved the associated risks. We apologize for any inconvenience caused and appreciate your understanding.
No,
In the meantime, we invite you to read the fraud article. Yan, binabasa ko, ang daming ang mga fraud article na inaano. So, bakit kaya? Alam naman nilang ginagamit mo everyday na bakit kaya nila? Yun ang question, bakit nila nire-restrict?
Ganon din yung nangyari kay Isabel.
Ganon din.
Restricted yung Virgo niya. Dahil yata sa maraming transactions na nangyayari. Pero
hello guys, welcome sa meeting natin. Yeah. Yun nga, kung kailan mo kailangan, saka pa nila i-restrict. Alam nyo ba na alauna, alas 12 na. Alas 12 na kami na-restrict pa yung Virgo CX. Sabi ko, kinabahan talaga ako kasi never na nangyari yun sa akin. Makukulong yung pera niya. Okay lang sana
Ganun
kung
din
pera
dito.
ko. So,
Mm-mm.
ayun. Sabi ko, ano kayang gagawin ko dito? So, binalik ko lang tapos nag-open up ako ng Coinbase. Meron pala akong Coinbase. So,
Pumunta ka doon sa exchange, Weng, yung binigay ko sa'yo, doon kay Farouk.
Oh,
Subukan nyo
kasi,
yun.
okay naman din siguro yun, pero pupunta ka pa doon kasi sa hating gabi na po.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, yeah. So, I need to find a way na mai-exchange namin yung pera niya. So, inopen ko yung Coinbase ko. Dati kasi ang Coinbase, alam ko, mataas ang ang fee niya, yung deposit fee, withdrawal fee, tapos yung trading fee, matataas yan. Pero, nagtaka ako ngayon, biglang nawala lahat. Parang tinularan nila yung Virgo CX. So, sabi ko, tapos mababa pa ang USDC 1.36 lang, samantala sa Virgo CX is 1.3787, so makakamura pa tayo doon. So sabi ko, this is good. Sabi ko, ganun, wow. So yeah, explore lang ako, na i-transfer ko naman yung 3K niya from Coinbase to her Trust account. So yeah, which is good. Saka sa pag may nangyari pa lang ganun, makaka-explore ka rin ng mas maganda pang other
So,
option.
Coinbase na ginamit mo.
Coinbase ang ginamit ko, ate, oo.
Pero mas malaki ka mo ang charges niya.
Hindi, ate.
Diba?
Ngayon
Hindi?
hindi na. Dati malaki. 3% dati kaya hindi ko ginagamit kasi alam ko mataas ang fee niya. Pero lately, parang tinularan nila yung nangyayari sa Virgo CX, yung mga local na natin, na exchanges natin. So, parang wini-waive nila lahat, libre lahat. Pati pag-send, libre na rin. Pati yung pag nag-trade ka, libre lahat. Tapos ang kagandahan pa, mura lang. So sabi ko, tapos maganda pa ang review ng Coinbase kasi top 2 siya sa list ng cryptocurrency exchanges sa
Is that Canada base, yung Coinbase?
Oo.
Canada.
Canadian yan. Number 2 siya,
Yeah.
First ang Binance, pangalawa yung Coinbase. Pero taga rito talaga ang Coinbase. Pero international siya. Nagagamit kahit saan.
So, dito pala sa Canada, may Binance. May Binance pala dito.
Walang Binance, hindi natin magamit dito. Pero pag tingnan mo sa CoinMarketCap, tingnan natin ang CoinMarketCap. I-share ko yung video ko. Ay, yung screen ko. Para makita natin. Ito yung CoinMarketCap. Punta tayo sa exchanges. Pwede lang nating i-download.
Trillion, Weng? Trillion na yan?
Sante?
Sa taas, global crypto market cap is 2.11 trillion. You know?
Yeah, malaki ang market cap malaki.
Malaki.
Tapos i-download lang natin ang CoinMarketCap. Tapos para makita natin yung mga exchanges, i-click lang po natin yung exchanges. Makikita po natin. Ayan, ang Binance po ang number 1. Sila yung pinakamalaki ng ng liquidity, ng trading volume. Kaya malaki yung top 1 talaga sila. Nandiyan lagi sila sa pinakamataas. Tapos
Pero
ito po yung Coinbase, pangalawa po. Canadian base po ito. So, I know. Tapos yung Kraken.
So yung Binance is US.
Hindi siya yung US, yung parang sa international na Binance. Yung parang ganon. Global, yeah. Tapos yung meron naman yung yan nandiyan po yung KuCoin number 10, tapos Bitro. Nakikita ko may nandiyan yung LBank, tapos ito po yung Binance US. Yung Bitro nasa lang siya, nasa 20 plus ata siya. Tingnan natin. Ayan ang Bitro. 46, number 46. Na, at least nandito naman siya sa sa listahan. Hindi naman siya nalalayo. Kaso lang, yeah. Maganda rin ang Bitro. Ang gusto ko po sa Bitro, kapag ka nag-email ka sa support po nila, kaagad yan silang magre-reply sa'yo. Yun ang kagandahan. Tapos, pag may question ka po, parang ginagawa nila ng paraan. Sinasagot nila, parang ganoon. Katulad nung minsan, sabi ko, bakit wala ang anong network yan noon, parang TRC20, di nag-email ako, bakit wala kayong TRC20 na network? Maya-maya, nandyan na po. Parang inaano nila, binibigyan nila ng pansin. So, yeah, ganun yun. Tapos, pag-aaralan natin, kung may problema naman tayo sa Virgo CX minsan, pag-aralan, suggestion ko na lang po, pag-aralan natin yung Coinbase. Madali lang naman po. Mas parang mas madali kung mapag-aaralan natin yung Coinbase at saka parang mas
Okay lang yun, para at least may alternative. Kung hindi pwede yung isa, meron yung isa.
oo. Tapos
Maganda rin yung
maganda rin, oo.
may
Tapos
second option.
ang kagandahan pa nito, 'di ba yung Virgo CX is hindi niya tinatanggap ang credit card. Ito po tinatanggap niya. Yeah. So parang kapag ito yung home. Tingnan natin po yung mga functions niya. Iyan yung home. May balance akong 3.30. Tapos punta ka sa asset. Makikita po kung ano yung asset mo. Sasabihin niya dito, immutable yung asset ko. Na-withdraw ko na lahat yung mga USDC at saka Canadian kagabi. Kasi ginamit ko kagabi. 3K yung ano ko. Tapos, itong trade. Pag nagti-trade ka,
Weng, nakashare ka ba?
oo te. Nakikita nyo?
Hindi makikita. Ang nandyan lang yung coin market cap na ano.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Stop share ko lang muna, tapos i-share ko ulit.
Okay.
Tapos. Thank you for telling ate.
You're welcome.
Nakikita nyo na po?
Yan,
Okay. Tapos, ito po yung Coinbase ko. Tanggalin ko yan para. Okay. Ito yung trading po niya. Pag nagti-trade tayo, umpisa pala tayo pag nag-deposit tayo. Ito. Pag gusto mo ng instant, mag-interact, i-transfer. I-continue lang siya. Mag-ano tayo ng mga 500. Kunyari lang 500. Tapos enter natin. Tapos, yan lang. Parang sa Virgo CX din, i-connect niya sa bangko. Yan, i-connect niya po sa bangko. Parang ganyan. Pamili ka po kung alin dyan yung bangko mo. Tapos i-go through mo lang. Ayun na, madedeposito na. Tapos makikita na po dito yung ano mo, yung parang balance mo, may asset. Mag-a-add po dito. Tapos pag nag-trade ka, parang 500 max. Pwede po mamili tayo kung gusto natin yung ikabit yung visa natin. Ito po siya. Kinabit ko po yung visa ko. So, parang ano po, USDC. Ganun din. Pipiliin lang natin, ipipindot lang natin para mabago yung Bitcoin, mapunta sa USDC. Tapos, ayan po yung ano ko, yung bank account ko, ay yung ano ba yan? Yung RBC Visa account ko, ganun. Yun kung yan ang gagamitin ko. Tapos review order, ganyan.
Meron ka na kasing account sa ano, 'di ba? You have already created.
Oo, te.
Oo, kaya lang ako I don't wanna create kasi ano I am avoiding the paper trail.
I know.
Yeah.
I
So
understand, ate.
yeah.
Yan,
Gayahin
ganyan.
mo.
Tapos, Tapos, ano na, pagka okay na, i-go mo na siya.
Yeah.
Mag-go
Okay.
through siya. Ganon. Pero pwede nating, Merlin, okay. Pwede natin subukan na mag-withdraw from Threads to Coinbase para makita natin. Hindi ko pa natatry yon, pero let's try kung ano ba yung okay ba siya or what para makita natin kung
Sige
ano.
nga, Weng. Sige nga. Please.
Okay. Punta tayo sa Threads ko. Tapos, i-withdraw natin yung 100 siguro para matira lang yung 99, tapos gamitin natin sa iba. At tayo sa USDT. Oh, wala na pala. Yeah, stop sharing ko muna. Mag-login muna ako sa sa Threads ko. Okay. Dali lang, mag-login lang ako.
You cannot do that. You cannot play with it. You cannot play with it. Here. Mhm.
Ayan, subukan natin mag-transfer. Ilabas natin yung pera sa Coinbase, tapos ibalik din natin, parang ganon, para makita natin. So, punta po tayo sa USDT, then i-withdraw po natin.
Please share na, Weng.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ate, buti na lang sinasabihan mo ako. Oh my gosh. Okay. Kalimutan ko tuloy. Ito na.
It's okay.
Okay, punta pa tayo sa home, tapos USDT, withdraw. Alam nyo na siguro ang mag-withdraw. Nakaranas na kayong mag-withdraw from Threads?
Hindi pa.
Wala pa. Oh, we can i-write down din natin. So, para may listahan tayo. So, i-click po natin ang wallet, then click USDT.
Click wallet. Dali lang, Weng. Dali lang. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, let me know kung may masyado akong mabilis para maantay ko kayo. I want everyone to process para matuto tayo.
Okay. Click. Number 1, click.
Wallet, tapos USDT,
Then USDT.
click withdraw po, withdraw button.
Click. Withdraw. Okay.
Naka-record to
Ay, naka-record
paki-send
pala
niya
to.
sa
Weng.
pagka after.
Naka-record pala to. Oh.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ako
Naka-record
makaano
naman.
dahil itong batang to.
Okay. So, kunin natin yung withdrawal address na natin ngayon from Bitro.
Here.
Okay. So, punta tayo sa asset, spot. And then, makikita po natin yung deposit button dito sa Bitro. Hanap natin number ata dito. Bitro. Hindi ko kabisado yung mga pin number sa pagkadami-dami. Sorry, guys. So, deposit natin is USDT, yun, right? USDT yung coin natin sa
Yeah. Sa
sa
trust.
TRADS. Okay, tapos ang network naman natin is TRC20. So, piliin lang natin yun and then lalabas po yung deposit, USDT deposit address. Isulat po natin yung first 4 character ng wallet natin, wallet address natin, PEBL. And then yung last 4 character din and
CK. Z6.
6 din. I-copy na po natin pag naisurat natin. Bitro. Ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko rin yung platform at saka yung coin and network para ma-check ko. Coin and TRC20. Sinusulat ko din po yun para hindi makalusot. Baka iba yung napindot kong coin or iba yung napindot kong network. At least, nandiyan na. And then, natakpan na. Ito tayo sa TRADS. Sandali lang. Ibaba ko yung ano na yan. I-paste na po natin yung ano natin, yung wallet address natin dito sa TRADS natin. Yan. Tapos i-check po natin yung sinulat natin, PEBL, MZKZ6. And then withdraw amount. Lagay po natin 100. Tapos, maging 95 na lang. So, sinusulat ko rin po yung amount para hindi ko nababalikan. Tapos, get code. Lagay ko muna yung PIN. Yan, ang ginagawa ko po dito, nilalagay ko na lang muna yung PIN para madali na lang pagkuha ng code sa email ko. Tapos, saka ko po i-click yung get code. Then, tingnan natin sa email natin. So, sandali lang. Gawin ko lang ito, 50 ito para yung 50 subukan din nating i-withdraw sa KuCoin para may mga choices po tayo. So gawin ko lang po 50 ito para makita din po natin yung KuCoin. Pwede, sabi nila pwede daw gamitin iyon sa Canada basta lang po mag-KYC parang ganun ata. Yeah. So, i-resend ko lang po. Buti na lang naalala ko para may panggamit din tayong ilagay natin sa KuCoin then sa Coinbase. Get code. Get code ulit. 35. Okay. 1. 1, 6, 8, 5. And then submit. FTP. Bakit alam niyo? Global address. Okay. Let's pin that is. Hindi pala yun. Ayan. Tapos, nag-go to na, ayan, pending po siya. Tapos, i-refresh lang po natin. Ayan. Ang bilis po, di ba? Approve na po siya.
Wow.
Yeah, approve na po siya kaagad. Tapos, puntahan po natin yung withdraw natin kung nandoon na. Baka wala pa. So, iyan yung deposit. Tingnan natin. Wala pa dito. Refresh din natin yung deposit. Oh, ayan na. Oh my gosh. Unconfirm nga lang. Antayin muna natin saglit. May text naman lagi yung withdraw, di ba? Kung success na. Kung nakatry na kayo ng withdraw.
So, tuwing magwi-withdraw ka sa USDT, doon sa withdraw siya pupunta.
O pwede nating subukan din po yung KuCoin. Kung example po, hindi natin magamit itong withdraw, walang USDT TRC20, pwede nating gamitin ang KuCoin para may iba pa tayong choice. Iyon po yung gusto kong para hindi tayo makulong, hindi tayo mag-aantay. Yung ganun ba? May iba pa tayong choice. Yun po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo po.
So, yung Virgo, yung niya is yung Coinbase.
Yeah. Kung
Saka yung withdraw naman yung KuCoin.
KuCoin, oo, parang ganoon. May USDT po yung KuCoin and then withdraw. Tapos yung pagbibilhan po natin ng USDC is Virgo CX and Coinbase po.
Mhm.
Yeah. Ayan, success na po. So, nakarating na yan sa withdraw natin.
Ang bilis, ano?
So, ang bilis. So, nandiyan na. So, ilipat natin po ngayon yung natin. Nandiyan na yung natin sa withdraw. Ipindot lang po natin yung asset para ma-check natin na nandiyan na nga talaga yung funds po natin. So, i-click po natin ang asset, then spot. Oh, ayan po. Nakikita na po natin yung USDT. So, ngayon po, kasi yung pagdadalhan natin na exchange is USDC po iyon, kaya kailangan po natin siyang i-trade. I-trade po natin yung USDT natin. Nakikita niyo po yung cursor ko?
Oo.
Okay. So, ito pong USDT natin, kasi dito sa Coinbase po natin, USDC lang po ang meron. So, pwede po nating i-check kung anong coin po yung nandito sa pagdadalhan natin ng funds natin. So, i-click po natin ang send and receive.
Ikaw kasi ako, Rowena, para i-unmute ko yung mga nagsasalita.
Dali lang.
Naka-open lahat yung mga... May.
Okay. Okay. Eto, para ma-check natin kung yung Coinbase, kasi doon natin dadalhin po yung fund natin, i-check po natin kung may USDT ba siya or may USDC, kung ano po yung meron sila. So, parang i-click natin po yung send and receive, then lalabas po yung receive. Kasi yan po yung ano natin. So, parang meron silang Polygon, meron din po silang Solana, pero parang hindi pa ako sigurado kung nandyan na yung ano nila, yung Polygon. So Solana lang po muna yung gagamitin natin. Solana. And then this is ano pala ito, coin pala ito. So, try natin yung USDT. May USDT din pala sila dito. Pero, really, USDT. So, pwede pala natin idiretso dito. Okay. Wow, may USDT pala sila dito. Pero,
Solana yan, Wen, no? Solana yan.
oo, USDT, Tether, only send USDT on Ethereum. Ethereum ito ate. So, anuhin natin, baguhin natin yung ano nyo, Tether, Coinbase. Ethereum. Solana. Paano kaya yung pag-ano ng mutable Solana. Paano kaya maaano yung hold on, baka may ibang paraan dito. May set. Ito mga ito. Set, receive. Ito. Ganito pala ito. So, ito pala yung kaibahan niya. Tapos, baguhin natin yung ano niya. Yung network niya. Ito pala yung network. Bakit kaya kung doon mismo i-click? Pag-aralan natin kasi I never used this one before. Send and receive. Yun ang kaibahan kasi hindi lumalabas dito yung network. So, ang kagandahan pala is punta ka dito sa may asset muna and then hahanapin mo yung USDC mo or yung coin mo. May asset. Yan. Pindutin natin yung USDC natin. Pero, kung USDT yung fund natin dito, so kailangan din nating i-trade muna. So, i-trade muna natin yung USDT natin dito sa Bitro. So, punta tayo sa trade spot. Okay. Tapos, pindutin po natin yung market. Available. USDC is 45. Tapos, i-click po natin papunta sa right ito para mag 100%. Where are you going, darling? Okay. Okay. Ito. Baliktad. Dapat USDT to USDC, tama. Mag-buy tayo ng USDC to. So, pindot na natin yung market. I-move natin itong ano natin sa 100% and then mag-buy tayo ng USDC para ilagay natin sa Coinbase natin. So, bakit? Ano lang? Amount niya is 4. Available. Oh, ito ang pera natin.
Yan na lang natira?
Oh, may natira siya. May natira pala siya doon.
Magkano ang charge niya?
Wala siyang charge, ate. Minsan lang nagpa-fluctuate lang yung ano niya.
Okay, okay.
So, nagpa-fluctuate lang yung USDT to USDC, parang ganon. So, yung 45 natin naging 44.62. So, yeah. Yan, kung minsan, kung yung pag ano natin, pag ganito natin, minsan, nakiklik na natin, hindi pa nakarating sa 45, kaya may natira pa lang 4.5. So, yung binenta ko ulit. So, ayun. Tapos, i-check natin yung asset. Balik ulit tayo sa asset, spot, para ma-check natin yung funds natin. Ayan, naging USDC na pero bumaba siya. Dati kanina 45, di ba? Naging, fluctuation kung ganon. Actually, wala naman siyang fee. Yan. Tapos, puntahan natin yung USDT natin. I-click lang natin yung withdraw kasi ilalagay natin yung pera natin doon sa Coinbase. So, withdraw. USDC. Meron tayo dito na ayan na po yung ano natin, yung coin natin, USDC. Iyon po yung lagi nating i-check yung dalawang pinaka-importante, yung coin natin at saka yung network. Ito po. So, USDC yung coin natin, tapos tingnan natin ngayon kung ano ang available na network po nila. At saka alin yung pinakamura. So, ang Polygon POS, hindi ko po alam kung ano ibig nilang sabihin na Polygon POS. Kung ganun po na, hindi ko alam, hindi ko po kilala, hindi ko po pinipindot. So, suspended din po ang Polygon Bridge. So, ang available lang nila is Solana. So, yeah. Tingnan po natin doon sa Coinbase ngayon kung may Solana po sila dito. So, USDC. Umpisa natin, punta tayo sa asset natin. Pag na-open na natin yung account natin sa Coinbase, pindutin lang natin yung asset, tapos may USDC naman dito. Punta lang tayo sa yung tatlong dot. Nandito yung mga function na kailangan natin ipindot. So, receive. Yeah. Dideposito po natin dito. So, ayan ang coin natin. Magkapareho naman sila sa coin natin sa Bitro. So, tingnan natin kung may Solana po dito.
Ayan, meron.
Solana. Ayan. Oh, free. Wow. Ang ganda pala dito. Solana. So, I understand. So, yeah. Sinasabi lang naman po niya, warning, receiving crypto over the wrong network could mean losing your funds. Be sure to choose the right network. When in doubt, send a small amount first. Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, na-check naman na natin. So, dapat talaga mag-match yung mga network natin at saka yung mga coin natin. Then, i-click lang po natin yung I understand. And then, yeah. Oh, malapit doon. Ayan, nandoon na po. Makikita na po natin yung Solana at saka yung USDT. Tapos, i-check po, i-double check po natin yung Bitro natin, USDC, Solana. So, pareho lang po sila. So, kukunin na po natin ngayon yung withdrawal address po natin. Bago natin kuhanin yung i-click, i-copy yung withdrawal address natin, isulat po natin yung first four character and last four character. 9, C, D, U, tapos 6, R, S, R. Then, i-copy po natin. Then, copied. Balik po tayo sa Bitro natin. I-paste po natin dito ngayon yung wallet address natin. Bakit hindi siya na-copy? Copy to clipboard. Paste. Bakit ayaw?
May note doon sa baba, Wing, do not withdraw. Ano yun?
This address can only receive USDC SPL from Solana network. Don't send USDC from other networks. Other SPL tokens or NFT. Or it may be result to loss of funds. Ano kaya yung USDC SPL na sinasabi? From Solana network. Don't send USDC from other network. Other SPL tokens. SPL. Solana. Ano kaya yung SPL? Alam niyo po kung ano yung SPL?
No.
Bakit kaya ayaw niya makopy? Copy to clipboard, sabi naman niya.
Itong sinabi ko sa'yo. Okay, itong under of this, mayroon siyang note.
Saan
Yan, important, do not withdraw directly to a
to a crowd fund or ICO. We will not, no. Yeah. Bakit kaya ayaw niya makopy? What's going on? Ayaw niya makopy. Bakit period lang nakakopya na?
Did you?
Gamitin mo yung Control C and Control V.
Okay, try natin. Control.
Baka ikuan mo, i-click mo sa top Wing yung send. Ano ba yan? Receive yung naka-highlight.
Saan te?
On top left.
Ito?
Hindi mo ba i-change yan?
Yung receipt eh?
Oo, to send.
Oh,
Ano?
receive. Deposit, parang deposit yung receipt eh.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Tapos, control. Baka control din na. Control V. Ayaw din. Period lang din. That's so weird. Yan. Bakit kaya? What's wrong?
Ang gawin mo is highlight mo.
Highlight ko.
Highlight mo.
Itong lahat ng ano.
Control C.
Control C. Then, Control V. Oh, yan. Okay. 6 RSR 9C DU. Oh, thank you, Sabel. Nag-work siya. Okay. 9C DU 6 RSR. Ayan yung withdrawal address niya, maximum. Oh, 2 USDC ang fee niya from Virgo to Coinbase. Pero yung Coinbase to Virgo, libre lang. To Bitro, I mean, libre lang siya. Pero yung papunta from Bitro to Coinbase, may 2 USDC siya. Sa bagay, pagka Bitro to Virgo CX naman, merong fee yun, di ba? Malaki din ang fee. So parang okay lang siguro. Try natin. Tapos pin code ng Bitro. Okay. Max. Okay. Okay. Pindot lang natin yung max. Tapos, pindot natin. Nakuha na natin yung, nalagay na natin yung pin code. Then, withdraw natin. 42627. And, okay. Kunin natin sa email natin. Withdraw verification. 78 6220. Tapos yung Google verification. Bitro. 859550. Confirm. 9ZDU 06 RSR. Tine-check ko ulit itong mga ito para sigurado na iyon talaga yung withdrawal address, yun talaga yung amount. Para ano natin. Ano natin doon sa 9Z DU 6 RSR. Okay. Ito, i-confirm na natin kung sigurado na tayo. Click na natin yung confirm. This is all. Review. Mag-English na tayo. Nandyan na si Peter, ate.
Nandiyan na?
Oo.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's click the refresh button. Still under review.
Good evening.
Good
Sorry
evening,
for
Peter.
being so late. Hopefully
That's
I
okay.
can join now. I can still get something.
Yeah,
I just
we are
running late
withdrawing
tonight.
funds. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
we are withdrawing funds, Peter.
Okay. Okay.
Still under review. Maybe we will wait for some time.
Okay.
Refresh.
Refresh. Habang inaantay natin while we are waiting, I can send you guys the link of that Coinbase. So yeah, I know it's not very safe for us to do it online like this that we share. So maybe we can just do it by ourselves. So I just gonna get this link and then yeah, share it to everyone. Copy the and then I'm gonna put it in the chat. Then if you could please open up for your own personal exchange, so we could use it every time we need it. If we cannot use the, what is that, the Virgo CX, then we can still have other option. This. Okay. I hope it's okay now. Let's click this one, another request. There you go. It went through. And then let's check our Coinbase. Here yet. It's not here yet. Let's request the button. It's not here yet, guys. So yeah, maybe we need to wait some more time. Yeah, it's not here yet. So let's wait. Anybody wanted to share about their experience from their exchanges? So while we waiting, we can chat about it. Oh, there you go. Our asset is here. It treats it already. Oh, why it became Canadian? It converted it into Canadian already. USDC. Let's see. How much is that? Okay, USDC. $1.36. Okay. So we have our asset here already, guys. So I think we need to convert it to Canadian dollar. So we can send it to our I want to do it until it reaches my account, so we can check. So convert. So okay. Oh, here you go. So yeah, it's 42.627. Yeah. We got the 4267, and then this one. We're gonna sell it to Canadian. Total Canadian. Add cost to sell now. Oh, we will get 57 Canadian, guys. 57 and 63.5. So we just need to, I will do it again. So yeah. We're gonna have the grasp of it. We go to my asset. We could see our our USDC here, but it doesn't say how much in USDC, but we could see it if we trade it. Trade. We're gonna sell our USDT into Canadian. So yeah, we have to click the B sign, the Bitcoin sign, and here you go. Our USDC show up already. So yeah, and then we're gonna click max, and then add cash to Canadian wallet. Yeah. Now we're gonna click
Sell now.
sell now. Yeah, 627. Order submitted. Okay, done. Let's see our my asset button.
There. Mm.
Oh, here you go. We
Yeah.
got 57. Yeah, 57.63 Canadian dollar. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna click the three dots on the right side and then deposit. We click deposit button and then interact e-transfer. Oh dear, okay. Interact e-transfer. How much is that? How much? It doesn't go automatic. 87.63. Withdraw. It should be withdraw, not deposit. Sorry. Should be withdraw because we're gonna withdraw it to my bank account through in e-transfer. So withdraw
57.
cash out. Cash out.
Yeah.
Okay. Cash out all. Oh, there. 57. Oh, there you go. So, okay. So where shall this one go? Did you get these steps, guys? As if me too, I didn't get it. Let's go
No,
back
anyways,
again.
it's recorded, Wayne.
Yeah, it's recorded, but I have to make sure it will go to my e-transfer Interact Ate. So can we please go back again? Canadian dollar withdraw. Yeah, I think how do we cash this out? Click cash out. Let's just click continue. 57.63 Canadian. Continue. Oh, there you go. Wow. They get a fee of $1. Oh, okay. Not bad though. But in Virgo CX, it's for free. That's the difference. That's the difference. Okay. Then underscore Calibuso at yahoo.com. Okay. Just click the Interact e-transfer if we wanted to use the e-transfer. But if we want to use our bank account, we just need to add it here. But for me, I prefer to use the Interact e-transfer. Okay, we just click continue. Interact e-transfer instant. Okay, from card wallet funds. Cash amount is 56.63 card. Okay. Cash out now. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's see my phone. They send a verification code 891967.
Done.
Oh, we sent email to we need to get, guys, if we see this one, we have to remember to copy this one. Your funds may be automatically deposited in your account if prompted the answer to a security question in this is this reference number. if it is not automatic deposit in our bank account, we need this code. So yeah, yesterday I forgot, so I need to go back and find this code, because for me it's not automatic deposit. YYT2KJKR44. Okay. It's done. So let's go to my bank account, to my what is that? Email address. Here's my email. Here by install. Oh, if my okay. Yeah, I can see it in my
Your account?
my email now. I could
Oh.
show it to you guys. This one, I guess, it's this back over here. Okay, transfer. I just gonna open my Yahoo account here so you guys can see. Okay, Yahoo. Oh, there. It's open. I opened it a while ago, but yeah, it's 0.63. Yeah, we just gonna type the amount in Canadian dollar and then click continue. This is e-transfer interactive, guys, but if you wanna use your credit card, you can use it as well. There is an option in here. Where is that? If we wanna use our credit card or bank account, we just gonna go directly to trade, and then we can type the amount here, example 500. I'll just gonna do it again, and then click this one, buy USDC,
Is that in Coinbase?
Coinbase, and then you
Okay.
have to type your Visa number. How did I do this? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna show you how did I type my
Visa number.
what is that? My
Visa number.
yeah, Visa number. Setting accounts. Maybe it's in here. I saw it yesterday. I changed my bank account into my what the debit account into my Visa account. Oh, here you go. Phone number, privacy, statement activity. Oh, okay. Security. I don't think it's here. Not this one. That's setting. Let's see the setting. Statement security. It's the same thing. Display. Phone number, personal, residential. Crypto addresses. Preferences. Okay. Okay. It's not that one. Wallet, exchange, business, help center, account, wallet. Okay. Where did I see that one last night? I know, guys, I'm so sorry. I am learning as well. So yeah, let's learn together. My asset home. In this one in 5. Should be, yeah. No. It's not here. It's either. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Not this one by himself send and receive. It should be here. Okay. Account statements. Let's see the statements. It's not this one too. Oh, activity. Mhm. I cannot find it here. Maybe in here. Trade. Visa. Oh, here you go. Card. Oh, there got a button there, guys. If you click the trade, okay, we just need to click the visa thing, the arrow to the right, and then it says here add payment method. This one, guys. You can see this one. Yeah. Okay. There is. Yeah, dito na, English. We can add the payment method here. If you want to add your debit card, you can add your debit card as well. Me, I prefer to add my Visa card. So yeah, this is it. I forgot where it was. So for now, we're gonna use the e-transfer. So we have to click the deposit. I choose to use the e-transfer this time instead of the Visa. And the difference between the Visa and the e-transfer is for free when it is coming from our bank directly. But if we use the Visa card, there got a fee, I believe. And it says, it doesn't say how many percentage. It's just say it depends on the situation. I don't really understand what they really mean with that one. We could maybe search more about that.
Maybe it depends on how much you will put in when, is it?
And also, Ate, it depends also, not only that one, but it depends also on the fluctuation also of the
Oh, okay, of the rate.
crypto.
Change. Oh.
Maybe I am not sure if that's the case, but we could search more and dig more why like that. So that's the only fee I can see. If you use your Visa card, it's a good thing too, because if we don't have funds for now, we could use our Visa, and then when the due date is coming, we could pay back our Visa credit, and then we are good. Just yeah, to have other option. But for now, let's get the money that we withdrew a while ago. So we use the e-transfer is 56.63, and then let's click continue, and then continue e-transfer interact e-transfer. Okay, done. So yeah, my asset, let's see how much is USDC. Let's see how much USDC we got. Send. Yeah, 56.34. How much, but how much in USDC? Not Canadian to select network, maybe Solana. Let's see if Solana is still there, guys, in our Bitro. Let's go to asset, spot, deposit, click deposit, and then click deposit. Yeah, USDC. We just gonna type USDC, and then there you go. We got USDC coin here. And our network, what is the available network is Solana. We got Solana here. So that's our address, the wallet address. YRAM F9NW. So we're gonna copy the wallet address and go back to, here you go. Okay, let's, we got a bit to address here already. So YRAM F9NW, yeah. Because I used this one last night and then I save it. But we have to always check it. Maybe their wallet address changed and then our money gonna be lost. So yeah, we always need to check it. So 56.63. It's gonna be 41.45 USDC. So preview Solana network. Yeah, our network Solana, we could see it on the top right side, and then we could see the preview. We have the choices here, guys. It says it's exchange, yeah, or self-custody wallet. What kind of wallet? Choose the type of wallet you would like to use for sending. So we are only on exchange. Coinbase have a wallet address too, self-custody wallet. But we are on exchange this time, so we have to click the exchange. Yeah. Network Solana YRAM K9NW. So sending time is 41 seconds, it says. So 41.46. Oh, it went up 1 cent. So let's send now. Okay, it's sending. There you go.
Done.
Done. Let's see it in our Bitro. Deposit. This is not the one, right? It's 41. Yeah, not this one. I think we need to wait. Yeah, we need to wait, I believe. Mm. Not here yet. Success. This was from before, right?
Mhm.
Yes. Maybe we need to wait a little more. Mm. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, there is a link on your phone that you need to click and confirm before it will go through. Oh my gosh, it's lots of security, guys. I love this. So if you key in your phone number in Coinbase, it will ask you that you're gonna confirm in your phone that you are
Okay.
sending money. So yeah, it's a good thing too, but
Mhm.
it's a lot of work. There you go. Here you go. Our fund, 41.46. So it's here already. Let's see. Let's see our funds if it is here. It's USDC. Here you go. Now we need to trade again to put it back to TRADS. We go to trade spot. And then USDC market. Let's click market. Market. So sell USDC to USDT. So let's pull this one to 100%. Yeah, we have to check it's 100%. So, or else they get some funds left. So let's click sell USDC to USDT. There, successfully submitted. So we have 41.76. Oh, it went up. It fluctuates to more. We got more than USDT now. 41 point. It's just a cents though. USDT. So let's check asset spot. Let's check our USDT here again. Our funds. There you go. USDT. So we are ready to put our funds into TRADS. Put it back to TRADS again. So yeah. I would like to put this one on my other account. Not here. Sorry, guys. I have to use my other account. Just need to stop sharing for now. Sorry, guys.
It's okay. Or else we will know your PIN, your password. And then I will scam you. I'm kidding.
It won't happen, ate.
I
I
know.
know.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Something to laugh.
Yeah, something to love too. I learned a lot because I was scammed once. I was scammed 4 of my accounts before
Yeah.
because of this
It's stable
sharing.
down.
Yeah, stable
I
down.
think we all been scammed before.
Yeah. Yes, that's true, bro.
So we know, we know what the feeling is. So
Yeah.
bad feeling, eh?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's why
So
we learned how to protect ourselves now. Okay?
yes.
So I got this. Yeah, we just need to click the wallet address, the copy button. It copied, and then let's go back to Bitro, and then let's click the withdraw button, and then it's USDT. We got the USDT coin in Trudge as well. So the only network that we have in Trudge is TRC20. So we have to find that network. It's here, TRC20. So just click that one and then withdrawal address.
Oh, how come I cannot see your screen?
Share, Wing. Share, Wing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Nakalimutan.
Thank you. I know I'm trying to follow the words, but I say, you know what? I should
Sorry.
be seeing. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go back again. Let's go to asset, spot. Okay, and then here is our funds. It's USDT. So our coin, the only coin that we can use in Trust is USDT. So it matches in here. So we are fine. And then the only network in Trust is TRC20. So we have to find the TRC20 as well in Bitro. So we just click the withdraw button. And then USDT, we are safe with this one already, and find the TRC20 network. There you go, TRC20, and then let's click the here we go again. I don't know what had happened to my copy button, but why it's not working. It says copy, right? Maybe.
Just copy the whole thing, Wing, not not the square, like the way you did before.
But the thing now is
Highlight.
I couldn't highlight anymore.
You cannot. Okay.
Oh dear. So let's go back to Bitro. I don't know what had happened to my paste. Oh, there you go. It works. It works. TRDSRQAQ. So we just click. We need to
Next.
enter the amount. We just click the max, and then we have a fee of 1 USDT. And then I just gonna enter my PIN in Bitro. Yeah, we get our PIN in Bitro because we are still in Bitro, withdrawing our funds from Bitro. So yeah.
So that's the pin from Bitro.
Yes, Ate.
Okay.
And
That's the
then
6 numbers only?
6 number. Yes, po. And then click withdraw, and then we're gonna send notification to our email. Let's get the email notification. Bitro. Okay. 361-361-748. And then we have to get also our Google Authenticator, Bitro 234016. And then let's click confirm. There you go. Now we have to check again our wallet address one more time to make sure it is correct. TRDS, RQAQ, and then the amount of, okay, let's confirm. There, it's under review. You just click the button.
Question.
Refresh. Opo. Ano po ang question natin?
Saan yung sinabi mo may narinig akong Google Authentication? Saan mo yan makukuha?
Oh, sa phone ko po. Parang
Oh,
2FA para hindi,
FA authenticator.
yeah,
Okay.
authenticator po.
sa
Meron po
text
kayong
yun?
ganon? Sa ano ko po, sa Bitro.
Oh, so it goes to Bitro.
Yeah. Meron po akong Google Authenticator nun. Nag-set
Sa
up po
Bitro.
kayo. Opo.
Hindi ko alam yun ah. Yun ang hindi ko alam.
Pwede mo pong i-set up sa account mo, ate. Oh, sorry,
Okay.
Peter. Sorry, Peter. I just need to
Okay.
talk. We need to talk in Tagalog.
No
sorry.
problem. Not a problem.
Sorry.
No,
Yeah, I'm just
that's
asking.
fine.
I was just asking where the Google Authenticator is because I heard her saying that. So
Mhm.
she said you have to set it up in your account.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're
We'll do that
welcome,
later.
ate. If you need help setting up your Google Authenticator, just let us know, ate.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We'll do
to
that later.
protect our accounts sometimes.
Okay, thank you.
All the
Oh,
time.
there you go. It's gone.
Congratulations for the demo.
Our money here from Bitro is gone. Maybe it's in our trust already. Let's check it in our trust. Okay. Trust. Where is my trust? Oh. Bitro. I think I erased the trust. Hold on. Trust. And also, guys.